Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas. I am so excited to be participating in Vlogmas this year. I will be bringing you videos every day from December 1st to December 25th. Yes, every single day. Make sure that you are subscribed and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any of these videos. Let's get into it. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 21. No, 22. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 22. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my Fashion Nova haul. Stay tuned. Okay, so I picked up some things from Fashion Nova for my birthday. This is a jumpsuit haul. Let's get into it. Okay, so first up we have this boot camp solid jumpsuit in the color olive. Let's take her out, see what she looks like. Okay, first I'll start by saying I absolutely love the material. As you can see, it comes with this zipper, and the zipper goes all the way down. Love the little neon accents. Love the fold up sleeves. Has like the cargo look with the pockets on the side. And I love that it comes with the bottoms that are gathered. Super cute. Let me show you what it looks like on. Okay, on to jumpsuit number 2. Now this one is this is a faux leather jumpsuit. Then off the shoulder look. This is actually a dress. Off the shoulder comes with a belt. Has a gathered waist. And it is a midi. Cannot wait to rock this. This might be my birthday dress. We'll see. Let me show you what she looks like on. Okay, outfit number 3, jumpsuit number 2. So I did get 3 jumpsuits, 2 dresses. This is another one of the boot camp solid jumpsuits, but this one is in the color khaki. So this is the same as the green one, just in the color khaki, and it has the black accents instead of the lime ones. Still the cargo look, pockets on the side, and the gathered bottoms. So let me show you what she looks like on. Okay, outfit number 4, dress number 2. It is the same as the black dress, just in the color camel. And this one is actually the pantsuit. So the black one was the dress, and I feel like I ordered the pants, but either way. So this is similar to the black dress, off the shoulder, comes with the belt, but this one is pants. So said the black one might be the birthday outfit, but this might be it. We'll see. Okay, next outfit, number 5. This one is another jumpsuit. And this is the editorial bandage jumpsuit in the color black. And woo-hoo, she's cute. Okay, I cannot wait to put her on. Love, love, love. This is what the bottoms look like. Am I ready? Guess I gotta get ready. Let's see what she looks like on. Okay, next up is another jumpsuit. This one is a denim jumpsuit. This is the day to night denim jumpsuit. Super cute. Has a little button on the sleeve there. I love this little added touch to the arms. You can put a belt on with it. It did not come with the belt. The bottoms are again gathered, which I absolutely love. Does come with a zipper and button inside, and then it buttons up at the top. Let's put her on and see what she looks like. Okay, as you saw, I only tried on 3 of the 6 outfits because the other 3 did not fit. And I'm in my feelings. Give me a minute. I am so mad that the other 3 outfits did not fit. Like, that's it. That's it. Fitness journey starts today. Like, that black jumpsuit, it was so cute, but it wouldn't zip all the way up. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. After Vlogmas, we will be on a fitness journey because I'm not sending those outfits back. I'm gonna get in them. Okay? Anyway, hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Send me some prayers. Send me some love. Your girl is upset. Like, these are my birthday outfits. So now we gotta go shopping again. But thanks so much for watching this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I will see you in my next video.